Greetings children. In this video lesson we are going to look into class 11 English core new question paper pattern. It's for this year 2021. CBSE has brought a lot of changes in the question pattern of English in the 11th class. Let us check what are the changes. English core class 11 part A reading 40 marks, and all the 40 marks questions are belonging to one category, that is MCQs, multiple choice questions. Let us check the details of this reading section. First question is one reading passage. It is an unseen passage for 10 marks. This is the first question. Second is another unseen reading passage. It's for 8 mark. And third question is grammar based MCQs. It is for 8 mark. Then literature section in part A, that is poetry passage, poetry extract. 2 extract will be given, 1 out of 2 you have to write. It's for 3 marks. Then 2 prose extract out of 3, both text, hornbill and snapshot, for 6 marks. So in this section 3 extract will be asked and you have to write 2 of them. Third question, text based multiple type questions for 5 marks. Various stories and prose that you study, from that lesson based multiple choice questions 5 will be asked, and a total 40 marks. This is the part A session. All these questions are MCQs. Now check part B. Part B is also for 40 marks. Reading section 8 marks. In part B also one reading section is given, that is an unseen passage will be given for note making and summary writing. Note making is for 5 marks, and summary that you have to write within the word limit of 50 words, 3 marks. Then in part B, writing section, it is general writing, that is 16 marks. First question will be short writing task like notice. It's for 3 marks. Again one short writing task, that is the second short writing task like a poster. It is for 3 marks. So 2 short writing tasks will be there, and you will get also choices 1 out of 2 for all these. Then third question, letter writing. It is formal letter. It's for 5 marks. Here also you will get 1 out of 2. Then fourth question, long composition. For long composition, speech or debate will be asked. It is for 5 marks, and you have to write a 120 to 150 words. This also the same, 120 to 150 words. And literature section, it's for 60 marks. First short answer type, 1 prose, 1 poetry. 1 prose and 1 poetry from hornbill. You have to write 30 to 40 words, and the total marks is 4. Second is also short answer type. It's from snapshot. Here the word limit is 40 to 50 words. 1 out of 2 you have to write, which means 2 marks. Then third question, 1 long answer type, that is 120 to 150 words, prose or poetry from Hornbill. It could be prose or poetry. Then fourth, one long answer type from Snapshot, 120 to 150 words. That is also for 5 marks. 1 out of 2 is the. Now let us check the detailed blueprint of CBSE for class 11 English core. And the rest of the 20 marks is from ASL, assessment of speaking and listening skill. Speaking for 10 marks and listening for 10 marks. Look at this. English core, code number 301, class 11 2021. Part A, 40 marks. Reading is for 18 marks in part A. Multiple choice questions based on one unseen passage to assess comprehension, interpretation and inference. Vocabulary and inference of meaning will be also assessed. The passage may be factual, descriptive or literary. 10 out of 11 questions to be done. So you will get 11 questions and you have to write 10 answers for 10 marks. Second question from the reading section, multiple choice questions based on one unseen case-based factual passage with verbal or visual inputs like statistical data, charts, etc. 8 out of 9 questions to be done. Here also one extra question will be there. You have to write from 9, 8. So it's also for 8 marks. So 18 marks is the reading section. Combined word limit for both the passages will be 600 to 750. That is the word limit. It will not be a very lengthy passage. The word limit for both these passages together is 600 to 750. Then next question will be grammar. Grammar is for 8 marks. Multiple choice questions on gap filling, determiners and tense type questions can be asked. Next type is multiple choice questions on reordering or transformation of sentences. As per the instructions you have to or reported or direct or indirect, like that you have to write there. Total 8 questions to be done out of 10. Here also from 10 questions you have to answer 8 for 8 marks. The only thing is all questions are in the category of MCQs, multiple choice questions. Then literature section. Literature section in part A, 14 marks. First question, multiple choice questions from an extract from poetry from Hornbill. Poetry extract to assess comprehension and appreciation. Any one out of 2 extracts to be done. So here also you will get a 2 poetry extract. You have to answer 1 for 3 marks. Then question number 6, multiple choice questions based on 2 prose extract out of 3 given. So second question will be prose extract, prose passages. 3 will be asked and you have to write 2. And a Hornbill as well as snapshots from both the text. This passage may be taken. It is to assess your comprehension and appreciation. 6 into 1, 6 marks. So this carries 6 marks. Then last section of part A is text-based multiple choice questions to assess comprehension, analysis and interpretation from prose and poetry. 5 questions out of 6 to be done. Here also you will get 6 questions and you have to write 5, and the total marks is 5. This is the pattern of questions for part A. You have to remember one thing, that all these questions are MCQs. For 40 marks, MCQs questions will be asked. Now let us check the second part, part B. Look at here. Part B is also for 40 marks. In part B, it starts with a reading section. It's for 8 marks. One unseen passage will be given for note making and summarization. The word limit of that passage will be 200 to 250. And note making is for 5 marks. Title carries 1 mark. Numbering and indenting 1 mark. Key or glossary for 1 mark. Then notes for 2 marks. That is the 5 marks. Then you have to write a summary. Summary, you need not write a long summary. It's only 50 words and it is 3 marks. Content and expression will be checked. That is the 8 marks. Note making and summary. Then in part B, writing section. Writing section is for 16 marks. That is the general writing skill. Advanced writing skill. We call it advanced writing skill. Look at that. Short writing task. Notice writing up to 50 words. 1 out of 2 given questions to be answered. 3 marks. And its distribution of mark is format 1 mark, content 1 mark, and expression 1 mark. And in writing section, next question, short writing task. It's a poster and word limit is 50 words. 1 out of 2 given questions to be answered. 3 marks, same marking scheme. Then next question, letters. Based on verbal or visual input, sentences will be there or some pictures will be there to be answered in 120 to 150 words. This is the long writing word limit. Business or official letters. Mostly business or official letters will be asked for making queries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing orders, and sending replies. Next type of question is letter to the school or college authorities regarding admissions, school issues, requirements, suitability of course, etc. 1 out of the 2 given questions to be answered. Here also it's a choice question. 1 you have to answer out of 2 and the maximum mark is 5. The distribution of mark is format 1 mark, content 2 marks, and expression 2 marks. Then next question, writing composition. Based on visual or verbal inputs. You will be given some visual or verbal inputs for this long writing composition. Word limit is 120 to 150 words. It may be descriptive type or argumentative in nature, such as speech or debate. These are the 2 variety of questions that can be asked, speech or debate. The theme should be contemporary topical issues. One of the 2 given questions to be answered. 2 questions will be asked, you have to answer 1. 5 marks. Distribution of mark is format 1, content 2, and expression 2. Then in part B, we come to literature section. Literature section is for 16 marks. One literature section is already over in part A. This is the second literature section. Question number 6. 2 short answer type questions. One from prose and one from poetry from the book Hornbill. Out of 4. So 2 poetry questions in choice wise you will be asked. and 2 prose questions will be asked. 2 mark questions, which means 30 to 40 word limit. Questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. That is for 4 marks. Next question will be based on short answer type question from prose, that is snapshot, to be answered in 40 to 50 words, a little more. The previous question is only for 30 to 40, but this is 40 to 50 words. Question should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. Any one out of 2 questions to be done. Snapshot short question, one you have to write for 2 marks. And next is one long answer type question from prose or poetry. It could be from prose or poetry from the text hornbill, answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes as reference points. Any one out of 2 questions to be done. It's for 5 marks. This is also a choice question. 2 questions will be asked, one you have to write. It will be, this question is aimed to assess your comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text, understanding of the text beyond what is given there. Then question number 9, one long answer type question based on the chapters from the book Snapshot. Non-detailed test, long answer type questions, you have to write 120 to 150 words. It is to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes as reference points. Any one out of 2 questions to be answered. Then we can check the deleted topic for 11th class. Classified advertisements are deleted. Letters to the editor, that is deleted. Realistic contest in the form of newspaper, report, article which the students may respond. Application for job with a biodata or resume, that is also deleted. Article and report writing, that is also deleted. Narrative questions, that is also deleted. From grammar section, model is not there to study, clauses is not there to study, change of voice, that is not there, error correction is not there, editing task is not there, clause passage is also not there. Then literature hornbill, father to son, the poem father to son is deleted. Adventure is also deleted. From snapshot, the God of the Holy World is deleted, and the Tale of Melon City is also deleted. So the total weightage, reading comprehension 26 marks, creative writing skills for 24 marks, textbook and supplementary reading 30 marks. This is the pattern. Then assessment of listening and speaking, that is for 20 marks. ASL, it is an internal assessment by your own teacher. It is a 2-type test, listening and speaking. Listening and speaking. For listening and speaking details, subscribe the channel and go to the videos, concerned videos. This is the question pattern of class 11 English question paper for 2020-21, that is 21 March question pattern. For model question, you subscribe the channel and go to the English class 11 model question paper. Thank you.